The sounds of birds at noon. This reflects on the contrasting presence of birdsong during midday, a time often associated with stillness and heat. The poem tackles of the perseverance and resilience as the birds continue to sing despite the oppressive atmosphere. It becomes a meditation on finding beauty and vitality even in the harshest conditions. The poem resonates as a symbol of hope and persistence, illustrating how life continues to thrive in challenging circumstances. The author imagery inspires readers to notice the subtle beauty and strength in moments often overlooked or underestimated. Ravikovitch's use of vivid sensory details and natural imagery evokes a profound sense of presence and survival. The juxtaposition of midday harshness with the delicate sounds of birds creates a nuanced commentary on endurance and the quiet, often unnoticed resilience in nature and life.